everyone. We are
Jahira.
and Kavita. We've known Rupa for about 18 years now, and just like any other friendship, ours started with small neighborhood walks and casual conversations.
Over time, those walks and talks grew something much bigger. Our families became closer and we began celebrating festivals together, started workout sessions, carpooling to kids' activities. Somewhere along the way, we stopped being just friends and became family. But we did not stop there. We started traveling the world, started hiking, shared our victories and pains in the mountain summits, started a book club and read books together, visited museums, and had endless conversations about worldview, history, politics, and life. Our book club has been now running for more than 8 years and has grown into a lovely little community.
We always believe that we have to give back and we need to make a difference. Together, we have volunteered in our communities, and since 2018, we have walked multiple Susan G. Komen 3-day, 60-mile walks in order to raise awareness and funds for breast cancer. Each year, we finish with blisters, swollen feet, and sometimes missing toenails. And yet, we sign up again. Why? Because when you walk besides friends, even the hardest miles become more meaningful.
Over the years, we did so much together that we even started a business and ventured into entrepreneurship. We have celebrated life's happiest moments and we have learned one another through its hardest ones. Through, through it all, our Chikas has remained each greatest source of strength. Today, we get to celebrate one of our own. Rupa, you are the friend we call for an adventure, for encouragement, or simply for a laugh.
The dance you're about to see is deeply personal to Rupa. She chose the song Devi Niye Tunai, which translates to, O Goddess, you alone are my support. On the surface, it is a prayer, a devotee surrendering to the goddess, the Divine Mother, for guidance, strength, and protection. But Rupa sees something more beautiful in it, and so do we.
To her, it is a celebration of the strength of women. When we did the Everest Base Camp, the final stretch to the summit is never about who is the strongest. It's about resilience and submission. This dance carries the same spirit. It is about finding strength not in force, but in surrender. The goddesses in this song isn't defined as a warrior carrying a sword. Her power is quieter. It is the strength to nurture, to protect, to carry others, and to endure. Every woman here knows about what I'm talking about.
Tonight, when Rupa dances to the goddess, she's also honoring every woman who has ever been someone else's strength. As you watch this dance, please note that this isn't a one with dazzling footwork. Watch her face, watch her hands, watch the emotions unfold through every movement. You'll see devotion, vulnerability, surrender, resilience, and quiet power, all spoken without a single word. This is the heart speaking. Please join us in welcoming our own dear Chika, Rupa, as she presents Devi Niye Tunai.
அம்பா தேவாதி தேவன் சுந்தரேசன் சித்தம் கவர் புவன சுந்தரி அம்பா தேவாதி தேவன் சுந்தரேசன் சித்தம் கவர் புவன சுந்தரி அம்பா தேவி நீ துணை தென்மதுரை வாழீன லோச்சனி தேவி மலயத்வஜன் மாதவமே மலயத்வஜன் மாதவமே மலயத்வஜன் மாதவமே மலயத்வஜன் மாதவமே மலயத்வஜன் மாதவமே காஞ்சன மலயத்வஜ மாதவமே காஞ்சன மலயத்வஜ மாதவமே காஞ்சன மாலை புதல்வி மகாராணி மலயத்வஜ மாதவமே காஞ்சன மாலை புதல்வி மகாராணி மலயத்வஜ மாதவமே காஞ்சன மாலை புதல்வி மகா